In this video, I'll show you how to delete your recent call history on your iPhone. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're gonna do is open the phone app on our iPhone, and then we're gonna select recent at the bottom. Here is where you can see every single call that you have made in the last few days. If you want to delete a single phone call, you simply have to swipe left on the call entry, and then you're gonna tap on this little trash can to delete it. If you want to delete multiple phone calls, what you're gonna do is tap on edit right here at the top left. Then you're gonna tap on select. Then you're gonna tap on clear. And if you wanna delete every single phone call, you're simply gonna select clear all recents. And as you can see, all my calls were deleted from my phone and are no longer on my call history. Hope that helps.